Most TikTok Shop affiliates, they run out of things to talk about after their first 10 to 15 videos. And so you probably tested a few different pain points to speak about. Maybe you even got creative and made a couple of skits, different styles of content, different angles, right? You used all the tried and true angles, but now you're stuck with nothing and you don't know where to go to make more videos, right? So you're scrolling through your For You page, you're looking for inspiration, you look on Kade, you see what other affiliates are saying, you're looking at the daily virals, and you're basically just recreating their angles with slightly different words, right? So, well, what's wrong with that? A lot of people are going to be asking. But the problem is you're talking about the exact same things as everyone else, and the algorithm knows it. What you don't know is that if these angles are actually converting or not. It might be getting views, but it might not be getting sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly two very simple methods, but not a lot of people use, to generate endless angles and concepts to talk about on your TikTok Shop videos that most affiliates completely ignore. And so these two sources I use that can take you less than 10 minutes to get working. They can be super high converting, and I guarantee you that 90% of affiliates aren't using them because all they're doing is going to the top 10 of the daily virals and using no amount of brain or thought behind it, right? If you're new here, my name is Kade, Wiley, and I help TikTok Shop affiliates build consistent 5 and sometimes multi-5-figure monthly income. So if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And again, if you're tired of staring at your phone, you're wondering, okay, what should I even say in my next video? Keep watching. This is the video for you. The biggest problem that a lot of TikTok Shop affiliates run into when you're looking for angles and ways to make your videos, right? We're not talking about, okay, how do I actually film the videos? We're just talking about ideas and the actual content and the marketing angles behind them, right? So the most important thing and the problem that a lot of affiliates run into is everybody is looking in the same places. Everybody's going to the platforms that show the top videos. I'm not saying that you shouldn't use those platforms that have those videos. Yes, you get a ton of inspiration. But when you're looking for a product specifically, you're going to need to hear things about that specific product. And most importantly, you're going to potentially need to find different things that not everybody else is saying, right? The name of the game on TikTok Shop is changing things, but not going too far off the walls that it's completely different than what somebody might hear. So the very first thing I want to show you guys in terms of how you can actually get angles, and make sure to say the second one because a lot of people don't use the second one nearly as much. The first one, some people have heard about this, but I want to explain how this is really useful, and most importantly, what you should be doing when you're doing this, because a lot of people do this wrong. A lot of people just do the baseline, let me just check Amazon. But again, we're going to be looking here at actually Amazon, right? So I'm just using a random product here. And again, this is an important point too. Sometimes people say, oh, my product isn't on Amazon. That's perfectly okay. Again, what is the product itself? So it doesn't matter if it's a turkesterone product and your brand that you are promoting is not on Amazon. If it's turkesterone, I hate to break it to you, it's the same thing. It's the same exact thing, it's just a different brand. That is it. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing different about it. It's the same exact product with fancy different lettering on it, right? If you get different brands of vegetables, it's still going to be a vegetable from different stores, but it's the same thing, right? So let's go through and figure out how I would actually pull different concepts and angles and reviews to use for TikTok Shop, right? So let's just go with one of the more popular ones. This one actually is on TikTok Shop, but that's perfectly fine. Again, so now we're going to go into and just look at what people are saying. Again, I don't care what the exact review is. I'm looking for a very few small key things that we can use for angles in our videos that people on TikTok Shop might not be using. Now, it is really important to note, just because it's a review on Amazon, let's say it's one of the top reviews, people are liking it, it doesn't mean that that angle will transfer over to TikTok Shop. So that's part of your job to test the angle, do a proper test and see, okay, can this angle actually work on TikTok Shop? Because there will be situations where people are buying it for XYZ reason on Amazon, but you go over to TikTok Shop and you consistently see people are buying it for ABC. So that's your job in the test, but we can still get a ton of really unique ideas that people are or might not even be using the correct language, right? So it's not just the angle, it's the verbiage of someone who is using this product and they're actually benefiting from it. And putting yourself in the position of someone who is actually using this has actually had to change, right? Whatever language that they're using in their specific review. So let's go through this. I want to give you an idea of how I would actually go through some of these reviews here. So again, this is the AI overview. I could care less about the AI overview because, well, it's AI summarizing it and not actual people typing it with their own words. So let's go through this here. Again, this is a really good one, right? So it's not just the angles, but who is buying this, right? So for example, turkesterone, and I've seen some of the videos around this product, right? They're kind of marketing it a lot towards like, younger guys, testosterone issues, all that other stuff. But this review right here tells me something different right off the bat. I get one sentence and that's all I need. This is an excellent product. I'm a 60-year-old man trading for a strongman competition. So that immediately tells me, okay, maybe if I'm someone who is in the 30 to 50 demographic as a guy, well, now, instead of me trying to compete with all people my age talking about testosterone and testosterone and all these other things, all the different angles that you see, what if I now focus this video entirely on, hey, you're an older guy and you're not able to do the things that you used to be able to do, but you still want to be in shape. That's what this is for, right? So again, he mentions libido as well. That's another angle that you can take, but it's not just the angles, it's who is the demographic of buying this and how you speak to that demographic, or are you a part of that demographic, right? So let's just keep it going, but that's one whole video right there. That could be a potential angle that nobody else has hit. So again, been taking it for the last 60 days. I can notice the energy it gives me in the gym. I'll give you guys a tip. Please don't even use the word energy in your video ever. It's just so overdone. It's so boring. Never use the word energy no matter what. So maybe a bit of a placebo effect that allows me to go a bit further in my workouts. That sentence right there is an entire video. I can make an entire video off of that one sentence. The concept of, hey, maybe it's a placebo, but I swear for whatever reason, ever since I started taking testosterone, I'm doing more things in my lifts than I ever thought were possible. And everything else was the same. I'm still eating the same amount of food. I'm still doing everything else. But when I take testosterone, again, it might be placebo effect. So you see what I'm doing there? Like, we're being a little bit skeptical, but you can see we're using the exact same language that somebody used in this Amazon review. So that's two videos that somebody might not have gotten to on TikTok Shop just by me reading two sentences on two Amazon reviews. We've only gone through a total of 2 reviews, so I'm 2 for 2 right now. I haven't been taking this long enough to speak on its effectiveness yet, but I can 100% say, I can say it is 100% odorless and tasteless. You would dissolve this. I live with MS. I'll be 100% honest. I don't know what MS is. Believe this is helping me with a little extra muscle strength and less spasming. Right there, one word, spasming. So if you're someone who gets muscle spasms, testosterone. So again, everybody on TikTok Shop, they're talking about, I'm lift more weight, be stronger. But it's like, okay, it's not just that. It's also, hey, spasming. So call out people who have muscle spasms. So right there, a review from somebody talking about spasming. I can make a whole video on spasming. So again, that's the angle, not necessarily the actual video itself. So you have to figure out the angles and what you're going to talk about before you actually script out and plan out your video. So let's keep it going here. Price was good, decent value, not very nutrient dense, does contain milk though. Capsules have no weird aftertaste. Right there. That I could do a whole video on if you're buying testosterone, be aware that a lot of it, unfortunately, has a really disgusting aftertaste. And as someone who's going through multiple brands, this is the one brand that I found that has no weird aftertaste. That's a selling point. That is 100% a selling point, and you can do a whole angle around aftertaste. So right here, just this short example, I went through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reviews. One of them isn't even a real review. It's just basically no help at all. But it's 7 reviews right there, and I basically got 4 or 5 different video ideas. Just to show you guys, it takes an ounce of effort to be a little bit creative. And again, you're getting access to angles that people might not have tested on TikTok Shop. Now look, these 2 methods, they are super simple, but here's what separates the people who actually use this information and the people who just watch it and go, oh, that's cool, and maybe try it once or twice and end up not making any progress because they're not actually implementing it, right? Implementation, that is the key. So you can have endless angles to talk about, but if you don't know how to actually turn them into content that converts viewers into buyers, again, we're trying to get commission, then you're still going to struggle no matter what, no matter how many different angles that you have in your arsenal. So again, that's exactly why I work with a small group of affiliates in my mentorship program who want to master not just content creation, but the entire system, the entire ecosystem that it takes to generate consistent income. It's not just the angles, it's how do I implement the angles, right? So we do weekly one-on-one individual coaching. You're going to get group calls. You're going to get access to message me and my team. Any questions for any sort of questions that you may have. So again, we're showing you the entire system in depth, how to actually create content that converts, most importantly, how to read the data, and actually how to build the systems that allow you to make consistent 5-figure and sometimes even multi-5-figure monthly income on TikTok Shop as an affiliate. So again, you need to stop copying everyone else and start creating content that's actually going to get sales and do it over and over again. So the link is in the description if you do want to book a call with us, if you do want to take this seriously. Genuinely, I cannot work with everyone because one, I only have 24 hours in my day. I take a lot of pride in keeping this group and this program as high quality as possible. So genuinely, we are super booked on a week-to-week basis. We're not going to press you to do anything nuts or weird sales stuff to twist your arm. We'll just have a conversation and we'll let you know if, hey, I think that we can help you get to the next level, whatever that looks like for you on TikTok Shop as an affiliate. But anyway, back to the methods. Let's take this a step further and move over to TikTok. So I just picked a random product. I looked up collagen, right? So let's just say this was a TikTok shop video. Let's go to this comment section right here. Again, we're trying to put ourselves in the world of somebody who is struggling with these problems, has this, etc., etc., right? So again, let's see what people are saying. So many taste gross. Again, this is just for a random collagen. So many taste gross. If it doesn't taste like chocolate milk, I can't choke it down. So that is a random example of something that someone cares about, right? So for example, you can talk like, hey, fair warning with collagen, like nobody talks about it, but it tastes absolutely horrible. And you use it as a selling point because again, you know that there's been a lot of people that have sold collagen. So if there's been a lot of versions of collagen that have been sold, I can come in and be a differentiator, be like, oh, this collagen, it doesn't taste like utter garbage, right? And that's the most important point, is we can take something from these comments, right? So let's keep a look in here and see if there's anything else. Why women over 50? Why not just people? Why not just anyone? That's just a Karen right there. Does the chocolate come individually packaged? Vegan collagen. The biggest change I made for my skin, thank you, is imperative. Which is the best iron? So again, I used the whole bag. Didn't see any changes. How many months should I give it? That is a great point right there. You can take a negative comment and spin it into a video. I used the whole bag. I didn't see any changes or improvements. How many months should I give it? How many months should you expect to give collagen before it actually makes any amount of difference in your skin? That's your hook, word for word right there. So I took a negative comment and I made it a whole video out of it because it's a question and things that people are wondering about a product, right? And that's a valid video to make on TikTok Shop, right? What is the story on watering down collagens when you use multiple sources? So for example, if you're like, oh, my product has multiple types of collagen. So I can spin this in two different ways. I can spin this as, hey, maybe my version of collagen that I'm selling isn't using multiple sources because you can see that people actually care about this. But not only that, we can also spin it as, hey, is watering down a thing on collagen? Again, challenge people's common beliefs around, is watering down, is that a real thing? Because someone's commenting. So clearly there are people that are thinking this, right? So again, these are some of the thoughts I'm having as I'm going. People need to know collagen is very hard for your body to digest. Bad stomach aches. I could make a whole story around I had bad stomach aches with my collagen, and now I switched to this other brand of collagen, I'm not having bad stomach aches. That's a whole video right there. So literally in a span of 5 minutes since I've been doing this, I've gotten 7, 8, 9, 10 different ideas that are probably vastly different than the average person making collagen, talking about the fountain of youth and just copying the same videos word for word. So you can see when you take it a step further, you're able to get access to different things, right? I'll leave you guys with one final example here. The reason why this is powerful is, let's just say for the sake of this example, you're selling weight loss. It's not just weight loss. It's weight loss for women over 40. It's weight loss for women who just got off of Ozempic for some reason. That doesn't make any sense, but you get what I mean. It's weight loss for women who just were pregnant. I don't know. See what I'm saying there? And that's what this allows you to do, is put yourself in the shoes of people who are in these different situations and who are using these products. So start to implement things like this. And again, guys, this is genuinely just scratching the surface. I'll be 100% honest. I saved the absolute best one. But again, this is the kind of stuff that you need to get you to the next level on TikTok Shop, is thinking outside the box, not relying on everything that's in front of you. But again, you'll notice what I did when I did this is I'm not just taking everything at face value. I'm taking a comment, and there's multiple different ways I can spin a video based around what that comment is saying, whether that's good, whether that's bad, whether that's brand specific, whether that's collagen specific. I'm just learning about the people who are buying this, and you're putting yourself in the shoes of people who are buying these products. So that is exactly how I use 2 untapped methods to find endless angles no matter what, and talking points for TikTok Shop content that converts actually really well. Amazon reviews, TikTok comments. So again, most affiliates, what they're going to do, and please don't let this be you, you're going to go back to copying whatever they see on the For You page and whatever other saturated videos that you're seeing on some of these platforms, right? But again, if you actually implement these 2 methods, you will quite literally never run out of things to say ever again. So again, the difference between affiliates making $500 months and those that are making 10, 20K, 30K months is about how much are your videos actually resonating and converting with the people watching them. So again, these methods work because they come from real customer language, real concerns, real things that people are actually asking. And again, it seems obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many affiliates just guess because they think that, oh, I care about this. So they assume that everybody else buying this also cares about it for that reason, right? So again, if you want help building a complete system for finding products, creating content that converts, and scaling to consistent 5-figure and sometimes multi-5-figure months, click the first link in the description to book a call with us. Again, we'll get on the call, review your situation, show you exactly what it takes to implement the strategy for yourself, and see if it's something that can get you to that next level. So again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you in the next video.